Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create an account on Celia cryptocurrency exchange. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into today's video. On this channel we talk about news about cryptocurrencies and e-space. Okay, welcome back once again, friends and family. On this cryptocurrency exchange called Celia, you can see much upgrade has been made to this website or the platform's page. As you can testify and verify from my previous video I made on the introduction of cryptocurrency exchange called Celia. Okay, so there will be a link in the description down below to my previous video I made on the Celia cryptocurrency exchange, which is an introduction video. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into how we're gonna go about doing our creating the Celia cryptocurrency exchange account. Okay, so let's go. Okay, first thing first, what you have to do is click on the sign up button over here, or you can go to Google Play Store and download the app from there, and you sign in with your Gmail account. Okay, so no more time wasting. Click on the sign up button over here. Okay, what you have to do over here is to enter your email and your password over here, then you use my referral code on the screen. Okay, so if you are not from any English country, you can select the language that you want from here. You can select Spanish, French, and you know your language. Okay, so what I will do right now is to enter my email over here. And now enter your password that you use in signing into your Celia cryptocurrency exchange. Then you enter the referral code over here, Jean44 Vin Jean CLT on the screen, as you can see. So right from there you click on the register button over here. Okay, so as you can see, everything is checked. So they will send you a verification code to your Gmail you use in registering this cryptocurrency exchange account. So I'll go to my email box, and as you can see over here, I'll click on it. Then you copy the verification code from here. Okay, then you put your full name over here, Frank. Sorry. Okay, so then you select the country you're from, Ghana, and that's it. So you check if everything is correct before you click on the verify account button over here. Okay, if you didn't have or you didn't get the verification code, you click on the recent verification code over here, the button over here, as you can see. And right now everything is set. I'll click on the verify account. Okay, welcome to Celia. Account verified successfully. Kindly log in. So what I will do right here is to log in to my Celia cryptocurrency exchange with my email and password. Okay, So from there you click on the login button, but before you click or log into your account, make sure this button is either check or uncheck. Okay, if you want to log in straight whenever you open your web browser, you keep this check button over here, which is remember me. And if you do not want to have your Celia cryptocurrency exchange open always on your browser, you uncheck this button. So I will uncheck this button because I do not want the browser to read my login always automatically. No, I want to log in so that I can recall my password or whatever I use in creating the Celia cryptocurrency exchange. Okay, so I'll click on the login button over here and I'll be sent to the Celia cryptocurrency exchange. Okay, as you can see, this is the platform and you've successfully created the account. And before we proceed to any extension, please do me a favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share to my videos. Okay, and if any misunderstanding, please send your bothering question or disturbing questions on the comment down below, and I will do my super best to help you out or respond. Okay, so this is the platform. As you can see, we have tabs over here and we have a whole lot. Okay, so thank you. The next session will go on how to mine the cryptocurrency for free.